Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we have a challenge lock. It is from Mr. NICVT, Mr. Nick Vitt. This is his 6th challenge lock, way back when. Amelia Keyhart. It's in an SC4 kick. I have picked this once, I have opened this once, and I am going to see if we can get it on camera, and excuse me. Okay. We will see if we can get this here. Oh, jeez Louise. Okay. Alrighty, so we got that open. This is Amelia Keyhart. Alright. Cool. Excuse me. There we go. Really? Really? That shim is being a real pain in the boot. Wow. That one was a tough one to get in. So you know what? I'm gonna see if I can use my special one from Jackrabbits. Still got some juice, I think. Cool. Ooh, wow. Okay. Oh wow. Look at these nice little trench traps here on 3 and 4. Wow. Cool, man. Alright. Alright, so we got number 1 here, standard. Number 3. Standard. 5. Standard. 4. Standard. I'm gonna have to dump these ones. So we got 2. Standard. And you got 6. Standard. And as I said, we got quite a bit of mods on the core here. We've got light threading in 2, 3, 5, and 6. And then we've got trench traps on 3 and 4. Very nice. Alright. Oh jeez, come on. Okay. Alright, so that's the front, that's the back. Alright, so I guess we're gonna start with the front. So I can see. Excuse me. Alright, number 1. Nice spool. Nice little spool on number 1. Steel spring. Oh wow. Super long T-pin. What I'm seeing so far. Let's get that spring out. Anything else coming out of there? Okay, wow. Anything in there? No. Wow, that T-pin was sticking right through that spring. Wow. Number 3, we got... Wow, I don't even know what to call that. I'll show you guys that. That is fucking cool. Steel spring. Alright, let's back out of there. We'll go to 6 now. Here we go, number 6. I don't even know what to call that. That's pretty badass as well. They got pyramid type of pin. Almost like I've seen John Holistic do before. Five is another fat spool. Steel spring. And then last but not least, another one of those unique pins. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up, don't worry. Oh. We just had that fall out of somewhere. That has got to be... Okay, I don't know what that is. That's broken spring. Where did that ball bearing fall out of? It didn't fall out of anywhere else, so it must have been out of 4. Huh. I'm going to have to ask our buddy on that one just to verify. That's a maybe. Alright. I don't think there's any Bible work done. I don't see anything. Very cool. Wow. Okay, guys. Let's give you guys a close-up on this. Okay. Check this out, guys. Look at that, eh? Beautiful pin work. Beautiful pin work. Amelia Keyhart, Mr. NICBT, Nick Vitt. Pick and gut. I'm going to have to stick that back together as soon as he tells me where that goes. Okay, guys. That's all I got for you till next time. Like, subscribe, share, comment. I will catch you later. Ciao.